All right, it is Sunday, January 12th, I think. I think it's the 12th. Yep, it's the 12th. I'm here at the Blue Beacon in Wheeler Ridge, California. I think it's exit like around 219 off of the 5/California 99. And the Blue Beacon, for you guys that don't know, this is basically like a car wash, but for trucks. We get our trailers cleaned, our tires, get the engine cleaned up a little bit. So it's been a while since I got the engine cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of. This way, if we get stopped for a DOT, it'll look nice and clean, nice and clean. They got those California fires still going on, so I'm probably going to hold off on the outside of the truck and trailer, but I will get the wheels cleaned. It just makes things look really, really good. Had some recent work done in Laredo, so we do have a lot of mechanic fingerprints all over kind of the side of the hood and stuff, so it would kind of be nice to get it cleaned up, but sometimes they'll do a courtesy wash a little bit, so that would be a good thing. I gotta really clean out the whole truck and that kind of stuff, so just gotta try to manage time good. So right now, the way it is, it looks like I could get to my receiver, which my delivery is not till tomorrow, but I could probably be there around 4 o'clock today. So I'm gonna be doing a 10-hour break. So that'll give me plenty of time to go ahead and get a full 10, maybe even shower myself, straighten out the truck a little bit before I have to go for the delivery. Then it's going to be funny. He's going to be trying to sell me a whole package and stuff. How you doing, sir? How you doing today?
Good, yourself?
Okay.
Truck and trailer today or just a truck?
What I wanted to really do is, my boss is a little worried about with the fire and stuff. It's going to get real dirty again.
Okay.
But what I'd like to do is I'd like to get the engine washed and maybe the wheels.
Just the engine and the wheels?
Yeah, what does that run?
It's $12 plus $140 for each wheel. It's like, I want to say like $25.
Total?
Somewhere around that, yeah.
Oh, it's
I
$1.40.
can give you the price inside.
Okay,
inside the
okay. That's
for the whole truck, it would be like 61, 80, I think. Yeah, for the whole truck.
the truck and trailer.
No, just the truck.
Oh, just the truck.
Just that.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna hold off on that.
Okay.
He's gonna cry. I don't pay for it, he does, but
Okay.
I want to get the engine cleaned up
the
and then and all the
Okay, no problem. Okay, so look, so just open the hood when you get inside the bay.
Yeah.
Open the hood. I'm gonna wash the engine, the wheels.
Perfect.
And then pull forward.
Yeah.
And then go back to the office.
That'll work. So I had to throw my boss under that a little bit. Because sometimes the trucks get dirty pretty quick, and I did talk to him a few days ago about it, and he was worried about with the California fires and the ashes and stuff, that was just going to get dirty. So I'll wait to really clean it right, but it's really important for me to get this engine clean because had a little bit of a coolant leak that got repaired, and there's some oil buildup, the recent oil change. So it just doesn't look nice under there. So this way, when I open the hood, if I get DOT, and when that hood looks clean underneath there, they like that. So it's real important. I mean, you don't want to run dirty trucks here in California as it is, because they'll pull you over. If the truck looks neglected on the outside, it's a red flag for them, because they think if the outside's neglected, imagine the inside. That's why by cleaning the tires and rims, and the rims look clean, and there's no oil around the hubs and that kind of stuff, very, very good. Moving now. Let him know. He's not looking. They're going to wash the hood, the hoodie hood. Yeah. All right, got that taken care of. Just gotta move the truck, go inside, pay the bill. Gonna leave it running. I think I need the mileage. I guess I'll come back and show you guys. Rims are nice and clean. I know the truck's dirty, so I don't want you guys chewing me out. But the rims good. Nice. And the back one's really good. Makes a difference because when you're rolling across those scale houses, they see them rims nice and clean. It makes a big difference. Nice and clean, nice and clean. All right, let's go inside here. Let's pay. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it, you know. Let me go put that. All right, I appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Thanks for being here, you know. You guys know anybody in those fires over there in LA? No. You know the Hollywood sign burnt down?
Oh, is that too?
Yeah, that's crazy. I thought, man, what are you going to do? Hey, guys, God bless, okay? All right, guys. We got it all done here. The blue beacon. Yeah, that would give me a little bit of problem here. They don't like just cleaning the wheels or the engine, but they made money. It's slow, so. A little dirty, but a lot better than it was before. Nice clean rim. We got to get a couple of the new caps on it. Hang on, let's see if we get to open. There we go. Oh shit! Oh, all the writing came off the engine. Yeah, it never. Last time when I did it, it did it weird. When I saw that, I was like, I didn't even realize it, but it is what it is. What were you asking?
Did you have a bucket hole or something?
I had this little hose, and I had it replaced, so it didn't look so good. Man, that thing even took the paint off. You know? I hope that look better, you know what I mean? As it gets stopped, and they see dirty, you know?
Yeah.
know, the pressure. It is. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate you. Like I said, these guys, that's all they basically do. So they get. Gotta be really careful. Let's hope no big issues. All right, let's close it down. Oh, yeah. All right. They're getting a little moody, these guys. And the reason is sometimes they're a little bit overqualified. All right, sounds good. Ready to hit the road here. Let's get this back up on here. And leaving the blue beacon here. Hopefully the engine gets to clear up. It's running pretty good. Yeah, what I mean is these guys are a little overqualified. They're a little bit up there in age, so they've done a few different jobs. They might have even been in truck repairs, mechanical, tires, and they don't like to get told what to do. They're not moldable. They don't want to listen so much. They want to tell you, and you're the customer paying for it. So basically, that's where I kind of understand the philosophy with, say, Walmart. Walmart may not hire somebody that's been in the, and I'm talking about the automotive department, where they change the oil and that kind of stuff. If you got too much experience, they feel that you're not moldable to train them their way. I think they may not hire you because, number one, you may want more money than what they're willing to pay. On top of, you're not going to listen to their procedures. So, still got water coming down from the top. They put too much. I just hope I don't regret it. Get back on
Take the ramp on the right to I-5 North.
Interstate 5. Excuse me. Been getting the coughs the last 2 days. So I really need to get something hot in the system, and maybe it can help me get over this. I've eaten a few oranges. I bought a bag of oranges from Walmart, and I'm just about done with them. Lasted about 2.5 days. So that'll be good. our way to Stockton, California. I think we got another, let's see how far we got. We got another 250 miles before we get there. We don't have to deliver till tomorrow morning, so we're kind of ahead of schedule, which is nice. My experience with this part of California here, the ETA on the GPS is always off
In 1 mile,
about
take the exit
an hour
on
to
the
2
right
hours.
to I-5 North toward San Francisco.
I guess with some of the hills and the speed, I don't know why, but it's always off. So I'm glad I have the extra time to drive, and it shouldn't be a problem. I put some air in one of the truck's drive tires that we had repaired a couple weeks ago. So the guy was supposed to replace the air valve to the tire, and it was included in the price, but the guy didn't change it. So I left it alone.
Be
And,
either
I think I
exit to
regret that,
right lanes,
because I think
then
it's the
take
valve.
the exit to I-5 North.
But since it was a couple weeks ago and it was at the Petro in Ontario, California, my route with my next load is going to bring me somewhat there. So I'm gonna go ahead and
Continue on map.
stop there and have them check it out, providing I have enough time. Scraped the shit off the freaking motor. Truck seems to be running pretty smooth, so that's a good thing. Good thing. These glasses was all the way up since. See what we got going on here. Oh, all right. Well, we're on I-5. Everything's okay. So I have some extra time by the time I get there. So hopefully I put my time to good use. And we'll end the video now. So you guys be safe. If you like my videos, please share them. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button. This way the algorithm will do its thing and we become popular. Thank you very much.